In today's video, I'll teach you how to remove watermark from PDF on CamScanner. First of all, launch open CamScanner application. You can see over here CamScanner has been opened. Tap on the PDF from where you would like to remove the watermark. Now after you do that, the PDF will be opened. Normally when you create the PDF in CamScanner, you'll be able to see the CamScanner watermark in the PDF. So in order to remove it, what you have to do is simply locate the watermark. If you tap on that watermark, you'll be able to find the option for removing it. If you do not want to do that, what you have to do is tap on the edit option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, filter. Now you'll be able to find various filters. Tap on this option, no watermark, that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, the watermark will be removed. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for pages to apply. Tap on this option, all. Now once you do that, tap on the right icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Keep in mind, this is the premium feature. So in order to remove the watermark, you need to be the premium user. So what you have to do is simply upgrade your account. After that, you'll be able to remove the watermark. So that is how you remove CamScanner watermark from the PDF. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.